On Monday, July 15th, court filings revealed that Judge Ural Glanville has been recused from the Young Thug YSL trial. This means Glanville will leave the trial. In court documents obtained by 11 Alive, Judge Shukura L. Ingram is listed as the judge. Due to Judge Glanville's $2,000 payment to her re-election campaign, Judge Rachel Krause dismissed another motion to recuse herself. In her ruling, Krause declared, "This court has no doubt that Judge Glanville can and would continue presiding fairly over this matter if the recusal motions were denied, but the necessity of preserving the public's confidence in the judicial system weighs in favor of excusing Judge Glanville from further handling of this case." Young Thug's attorneys argued Judge Glanville should no longer hear the case due to a June 10th meeting that ignited an uproar in the trial. The private meeting between Judge Glanville, prosecutors, and a witness without defense attorneys resulted in Young Thug's attorney, Brian Steele, being held in contempt and sentenced to 20 days in jail, which was reversed after the state Supreme Court granted him bond.
That there's been no violation. We believe that there has been, and the only
Okay, well then no, we're not doing that at this point in time. So you'll have a choice to make. All right, take Mr. Steele into custody, please. Yes, sir, you certainly may. Mr. Williams does not wish to go forward without me being here. You are removing me against his will, my will. You're taking away his right to counsel. And you're conducting material parts of this trial without me present, and I can't learn about it by watching online. So
Steele was charged with contempt for not disclosing how he learned of the meeting.
what I was told was that Mr. Copeland said... And you haven't answered my question yet. I'm not going to answer that question. You're not? No, I will not answer that question. Why will you not answer that question? Because I want to make sure that what I say is accurate, and I'm not trying to... No. I'm asking you, how did you get this information? I'm not telling the court. What I'm saying is based upon information... Okay, well, listen, if you don't tell me how you got this information, then you and I are going to have some problems.
The transcript of Judge Glanville's discussion with Kenneth Copeland, a.k.a. Lil Woody, later went public. Copeland was detained on June 7th for contempt for refusing to testify under immunity. In the judge's chambers, a few days later, prosecutors released Copeland's attorney's email accusing them of targeting him by forcing him to testify. They alleged his counsel threatened to leave the case. She represented Copeland at the meeting as his usual lawyer was out of town. Steele accused the court of coercion because his client was not represented at the meeting. Glanville had previously denied 3 motions to recuse or disqualify himself from the case, and legal experts have been intrigued by the case's unexpected shift. As soon as we get updates on when the trial is set to resume, we'll be sure to drop a post. Until then, stay safe and hit that like button like it got a switch on it.